So in this problem, we're going to differentiate this function, y, with respect to x. And then this means at x equals 0. Now, if you plug in 0 first and then try to differentiate, well, if you plug in 0, you're just going to get a number. Actually, you'll get negative 6. And the derivative of negative 6 is just 0 because it's a constant. So you have to use the derivative rules first to differentiate and then plug in 0 at the end. So we're going to first find dy dx. That's the derivative of y with respect to x. So by the power rule, this 4 stays out front. And then the derivative of x to the fourth, we bring down that 4 right here in the exponent, down here out front. And then times x to the 4 minus 1, we decrease the exponent by 1, so we have 3. And the next part, this 3 stays out front, so minus 3 times the derivative of x cubed. Pull that 3 from the exponent down and decrease the exponent by 1, so 3x squared. Then the derivative of negative 3x, that's a linear term. Like think of the line y equals negative 3x. The slope of that line is negative 3, so its derivative is always negative 3. And the derivative of the constant negative 6 by itself is 0. So before I plug in 0, I'm going to clean this up just a little bit and just write it as 16x cubed minus 9x squared minus 3. And you can just jump straight from here to there once you get good at doing this. So now let's go ahead and plug in 0. So 16 times 0 cubed minus 9 times 0 squared minus 3. Those two terms are 0, so we just get negative 3 as the slope of the tangent line to this function at the point where x equals 0.